Have you ever looked at a geometry problem on the General Educational Development Math test and felt your mind just freeze up? It is easy to get overwhelmed by all the numbers and diagrams. But what if there was a simple way to break down even the trickiest shapes and calculations? Tackling long geometry problems on the General Educational Development test starts with a strategic approach, breaking each complex problem into smaller, manageable steps. This method simplifies the process and helps you apply the correct formulas one piece at a time. This strategy works because geometry problems often combine several basic concepts. By dissecting the problem, you are not trying to solve everything at once. Instead, you identify the knowns, what you need to find, and the exact geometric rules or formulas that connect them. First, always start by reading the problem carefully and drawing or sketching the shape if one is not provided. Label all the given measurements and angles directly onto your sketch. This visual aid is incredibly powerful for organizing your thoughts. Second, identify what the problem is asking you to find. Is it an area, a perimeter, a volume, or a specific angle measurement? Knowing your goal helps you work backward. Third, break the complex shape into simpler, familiar shapes. For instance, a composite figure might be a rectangle combined with a triangle, or a cylinder with a cone on top. Calculate the unknown measurements for each simpler part first. Fourth, recall and write down all relevant geometry formulas. The General Educational Development test often provides a formula sheet, so know where to find the formulas for area, circumference, volume, and Pythagorean theorem. Match the formulas to the shapes you identified. Fifth, execute your calculations step by step, showing all your work. This helps you catch any errors and ensures you are applying each formula correctly. It also allows you to check your progress as you go along. Finally, review your answer to make sure it makes sense in the context of the problem. Does your answer have the correct units, and is it a reasonable value? A powerful technique often used by math experts is called chunking. Chunking means you group related pieces of information or steps together, making them easier to process and remember. For geometry, this means treating each basic shape calculation as a chunk. By consistently applying these steps, you transform daunting geometry challenges into a series of small, solvable puzzles. This systematic approach not only boosts your confidence but also significantly increases your accuracy and speed on the General Educational Development Math test. You are not just memorizing formulas, you are mastering a problem-solving strategy that will serve you well beyond the exam.